It's sexy dog 101.
When dogs walk into video chat rooms, what do? Do they flirt? Or do they just stare at you? You doing something wrong. Constantly going into the camera for no reason. Always paranoid. Looking at themselves, seeing if they look sexy for the other character. What do?
What do I do for fun?
Don't mind the other voice, I am the narrator. The other voice, unknown species named Genova.
Genova. Hey,
you're on camera.
Hey. Hi. How are you? Look at me.
The giant emoji.
Look at the narrator over there.
The narrator is on his own computer.
Look, I even turn on some sexy music for him.
I got some.
That's probably called sexy, right?
No, I got some. Got my t-shirts and my panties on. Oh, would you like stilettos and a t-shirt?
I got my stilettos and my t-shirt on.
And I got them both. Why do I have them? Nobody knows. You better not put on chunky.
Chunky's funny.
No chunky.
I like chunky.
Yeah, chunky's not allowed. Chunky.
And that's who's on the radio. Who's on the station. Right?
That's what I'm saying. No chunky.
What are you doing?
I said no chunky.
The only catch, you have to be made of clay. So play yourself today and enter for a chance to win the next Hotels.com commercial. Visit playyourself.com now to get started.
Okay.
Told you it wasn't sexy music. You best let me deal with the music. I'll put some bang 2 on boom 2. Black pig. Hi, I'm Snuffleupagus, and I'll be your day today. Yeah, stop putting your thing in the camera. It's not nice. No. Hey, that's not nice. Don't snap at it. It hurts. Hey, why you snapping mine? Hey. Can you put mine in the camera, dude? It's not fair. She likes mine better than yours. Hey. Man enhancements. The dog is astonished.
This is when the dog uses the computer, y'all.
Looking at flicks, just. No, she says she's not into bestiality. Just.
Why you throwing yourself down like
Yeah. How you doing? Been with Jenny Craig. Roaches. No. Cotton breast comb is not responding. common breast. I really don't care for you.
She changed her mind. She said she gotta get back to the computer.
I'm back, baby. You missed me. Yes, I have. Why don't you look at me in my eyes? Look in my eyes and then you feel my pain.
Okay.
Hey, hey. If I bet if I had 3 donuts on my stuff, you'll be looking that fat little. Hey, hey. Yeah, hey, what you gonna get? Hey. Technical difficulties! hey. Stupid ass smoke. Nah.
Please hold. We're having technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
The sexy dog 101 won't stay in front of the camera.
She's stopping for a donut break.
Sexy dog 101, please. Scoot that from me.
Sexy dog 101.
Stop, cause you gonna let her get it.
Go.
Sorry, she's using the feet all
Trying to show that cleavage.
the time.
Show your private enough. Just show it. We're going to use this time to show off the new Windows 7. It looks like shit. And the code holder is trying to look sexy, eating the paper off a kiss. So not sexy. Disturbing at most. Sorry, I even had to see that. And all she can do is laugh at herself, at her own stupidity. It's a shame. She even admits it was stupid of her. At least she knows the right from wrong. I'm not either. But my stuff was.
Half Mickey is. I mean, sexy dog 101.
Yup. Everyone knows who you are now. Yup. You want a beer, or do you want a strawberry shortcake? A beer it is. Because 1, 2, 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3,
She's like, what?
One day walking from school, there was always a kid, one lonely kid.
She's a kid.
I'd always walked home from school.
She stopped to pick it up.
Shut up, this is my story. Until one day,
She saw her. She stopped.
shut up.
She saw her. She stopped to pick it up. She saw her. She stopped to pick it up.
Sorry, my co-producer is stupid. Highly stupid. So stupid she don't even know she's stupid. But yeah, you will never know.
Chicken bonbons. Chicken bonbons.
Stop being stupid. She was so stupid one day.
Bonbons.
Shut up. I'm sorry. YouTube's not loading.
She was like a pom pom. Like a pom pom.
My co-producer is stupid at the moment.
She was like a pom pom, like a pom pom. Like a pom pom, like a pom pom.
So stupid I'm ashamed to even call him my co-producer.
I ain't a co-producer. That's why he's not real.
Shut up. Troublemark2.com.
He didn't mean that. He meant
better wait at Jerry Springer's office.
I'm glad to meet Jerry Springer.
Gotta get your Jerry beads.
Jerry.
Oh, Jerry, I want my Jerry beads. You do? No. I like them white ladies who be wanting your Jerry beads.
Hey, I'm over here. Hey, over here. Hello. 101. Gonna stop.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for y'all to know, this is the hot dog. Choking on something. Feels good. So good.
Wow.
Yup. Best I will ever have. Done. Clean that off.
Wow.
Yep.
Should put a train in front of the camera.
Yep. Never will be. I'm sorry. Oh, round 2.
Silver gold.
I prefer sapphires myself.
I'm not gonna find any of those up there. You better go dig around somewhere else.
I found an emerald. I'm sorry.
Let's see what time it is.
See what time it's gonna be.
See what time it is. And the focus is... It won't focus.
Because her camera's not as good as mine.
It did focus at one point.
Because her camera's not as good as mine. How stupid do I feel? That's like red.
Put it back. It's not pointing down far enough for you to see your screen. See? If you had Nikki, you'd be screaming in the back of Nikki and... I mean, Sexy Dog 101.
That's the second time you done did that, young lady.
Fourth time I just did it.
That makes you look even worse.
Young lady, I'm gonna need you to get upset with that stuff on your mouth. It look like you would eat bullets.
She got rabies.
Well, peeps and dogs, the music ain't came on yet,
I'm working on it.
and the video will be over soon. By the time the music starts.
Make another one.
Shake it pom pom, shake it pom pom, shake it pom pom.
You never told me which one you want.
She told you. T-shirt and stilettos. She got see?
Okay. T-shirts and stilettos.
Waiting for the music.
DJ McAflair. We'll have to make another video. You only got like a minute. DJ McAflair.
Sexy Dog 101. Getting down on the floor.
Sexy Dog Productions.
Let's go.
Video over.
You say no?